simulator. Today we will discuss a problem related with the application of three moment equation when one end of the beam is a fixed end. Okay. So please note down the question. Analyze the continuous beam shown in the figure by using three moment equation and also draw the bending moment diagram. So now we will move on to the problem. So in the given question, a fixed end is given at this left end, and this B point and this C point is going to be having two supports, and this 20 kilonewton per meter UDL is acting over this AB portion and 40 kilonewton is acting over the BC portion, and this moment of inertia value is given as 2I for this AB portion and BC portion I. And the span length is given as 6 meter for this AB portion and BC portion 4 meter. So these are the details given in the given question. So if the end support is fixed, then you have to add an imaginary beam for using this three moment equation. For that we will add an imaginary beam A0A with the length span as L0, and this flexural rigidity value is going to be infinity, and the rest of the portion will remain the same. And our first step is to find out the free moment diagram. For that, in the initial, that imaginary beam portion, there will be no forces or is acting, so the free moment diagram is going to be 0. And in the second portion, a simply supported beam with a UDL is acting with the magnitude 20. So you can directly write down the equation as WL square by 8. And you will finally get the value as 90 kilonewton meter. And in the case of this BC portion, the point load is acting at the center, so you can directly apply the equation WL by 4 and you will get the value as 40 kilonewton meter. Then you can note down the area also for this particular, that is, it is a parabola, so 2/3 multiplied by 90, this magnitude, then the span distance, that is 60, and you will finally get the value as 360. Then coming to the second, this area will be half B multiplied by H, that is half into 40, this ordinate, then the span distance, and finally you get the value as 80. Then we will consider this span, that is A0, A, then this B portion, and you will get, you have to consider this much portion. Okay. And here you can note down that you have to apply this three moment equation, that is M0 multiplied by L0 by infinity plus 2Ma multiplied by L0 by infinity plus 6 by 2I. The three moment equation directly you have to apply. And here you can note down that minus of this 6 multiplied by this area A1 multiplied by this 3, that is center of gravity distance from this portion, that is 3. Total span distance is 6. So if the span distance by 2, that will give the value as 3 by 2I multiplied by 6. Okay. And if you, this term will be 0 and this also will be 0. If you substitute the values, then finally you will get the value as 6Ma plus 3Mb equal to minus 540. Okay. Then coming to the second case, that is ABC portion. Let us come to the ABC portion. You can note down that ABC portion, you can directly apply this equation ABC portion. That is, here the UDL will be here and here point load will be there. And if you directly apply the equations, you will finally get the equation in this format. That is 3Ma plus 40Mb equals minus 780. Here the center of gravity distance you have to take from here, that is 3, and here you have to take from 2, that is written here, and the rest of the steps will remain same. And if you solve these 1 and 2 equations using calculator, you will finally get the value as Ma will be equals to minus 69.6 kilonewton meter and Mb value is going to be minus 40.8 kilonewton meter. That is all about the moment. Then, and we can also note down that MC value is here in the case, MC value is going to be 0. Okay, that's why this here it is going to be 0. Since this support is simply supported. Then our next intention is to draw the bending moment diagram. Okay. For that, this is AB portion and this is BC portion. First of all, we have to draw the free moment diagram. Free moment diagram with the magnitude 90. Then here the magnitude is going to be it is given as 40 kilonewton. So it will be here. This is 40. Then MA value is given as a negative value and it is going to be minus 69. So you can take it from here. And here it is the value is going to be minus 40.8 and you can complete in this way. And after that you can shade these regions. Okay. So this is the final diagram, bending moment diagram for this fixed end support, fixed end under here the continuous supports. Okay. So first of all you have to add an imaginary beam and the rest of the steps will remain same. As usual we will apply the 3 moment equation. So I hope the problem is clear for you. With this we will wind up today's session.